This is a wall of dirt headed our way in a big thunderstorm that's coming up from the south. That is crazy. Yeah, so here's the storm coming above our house. Oh my God, that's horrible. It is nearly upon us. Not looking forward to this. I'm going in the house and battening down the hatches. Holy crap. That's huge. That is huge. All right, I'm going in before I can't see anything anymore. There it is. That's our alley. Yeah. All right, I'm in the back porch looking out the side window to the yard. I hope they got those texts. I know, Jesus. This is out in the alley where the cars are. Wow. Well, there's our, so far, our neighbor's tree. There's our fence, and Jennifer's texting us. Here's our neighbor's tree, looking from the upstairs bathroom. So there's our motorhome, there's her house, and our fence. Got pretty beat up. Now we got a thunder and lightning storm coming. So yeah, that looks like fun.